Hello everyone, today our topic is how to automate delivery schedules with Google Sheets and WhatsApp. So I work in an e-commerce company and I work in the delivery department. So here what I want is that I want to create an automation in such a way that I have created a database in my Google Sheet where I'm going to add the details of all my scheduled orders, and whenever I'm going to add a new detail of a scheduled order in my Google Sheet, then automatically by using that scheduled order details, I'm going to send an automated WhatsApp message to my customer that their order has been scheduled. So for sending the message on WhatsApp, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API, and for my objective, I have to build a connection between Google Sheets and WhatsApp Cloud API. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I have to use Trigger and Action. In Trigger application, I'm going to use Google Sheets. In Action application, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can automate delivery schedules with Google Sheets and WhatsApp. So I work with an e-commerce company and I work in the delivery department. So what I want to do is that I want to automate my delivery schedules, and automatically I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to my customer that their order is scheduled for delivery. So for this, I have created a database in my Google Sheet where I'm going to add data of newly scheduled orders, and by using these details of the order, I'm going to send an automated WhatsApp message to customers that their order has been scheduled. Now for sending the message on WhatsApp, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API, and WhatsApp Cloud API is an official API platform for WhatsApp by Meta, and I want all this to happen automatically so that whenever I'm going to add a new detail of a scheduled order in my Google Sheet, then automatically an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to my customer that their order has been scheduled for delivery, and also I'm going to send the delivery details. So for doing all this automatically, what I have to do is I have to use Pabbly Connect. So with Pabbly Connect, what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a connection between Google Sheets and WhatsApp Cloud API, so that whenever I'm going to add a new row in my Google Sheet with the detail of my scheduled order, then automatically an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to my customer with their order details. So I'm going to build this connection without any coding and programming skills, and for using Pabbly Connect, I have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect, and this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here we have two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you just have to sign up for free, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time, and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I have to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here this is the workflow section, and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here, and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now here I want to create a new workflow. For that, I have to click here on this create workflow button, and this window will pop up. Here I have to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to automate delivery schedules with Google Sheets and WhatsApp. Now I have to select the folder where I want to save my workflow, so I'm going to open this tab, and in this tab you will find all the folders that you have created in your Pabbly Connect account. And in this tab I have this particular folder of delivery schedules, so I'm going to select this and I'm going to click on create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. So we have to set up our trigger first, and here my trigger application is going to be Google Sheets. So I'm going to select Google Sheets here. And now I have to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab, and new or updated spreadsheet row will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now I'm going to connect Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. And for connecting Google Sheet, I have to use this webhook URL, which is going to work as a bridge between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. And now for connecting Google Sheet with my workflow, I have to follow all these instructions. So first I'm going to copy this webhook URL. Now I will go back to Google Sheet. So this is my Google Sheet, and in this I have all these columns, and I have this last data entry column, which is column I. In this columns, I have all the details of my order and the delivery details. Now for connecting Google Sheet, I have to go to extensions, and I need this particular extension of Pabbly Connect Webhooks. But if you don't have this particular extension, then what you need to do is you need to go to add-ons. You have to open get add-ons, and this will take us to Google Workspace Marketplace. Here we are going to search for our extension, which is going to be Pabbly Connect Webhook. So I'm going to select this, and our extension will look like this. So what we need to do is we need to install this particular extension, and I have already installed this. So I'm going to close this. I will go back to extensions, and now I will go to Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and in this I'm going to select this option of initial setup. So I'm going to open this, and here we have these two tabs, webhook URL and trigger column. So first I'm going to paste that webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here, and now I have to give a trigger column. So the trigger column will be your final data column, on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So in my Google Sheet, I have my last data entry column, which is column I. So I'm going to type that. So column I is going to be my trigger column, and whenever a data will be filled in that particular column, then automatically the data of that whole row will be sent to Pabbly Connect. Now I have to click on send test, and my test data has been sent successfully. Now I have to click on submit, and my setup is configured successfully. Now I'm going to close this, and here I have all these columns of order ID, product name, customer mobile number, email, delivery address, order value, expected date for delivery, and status. So I have sent this particular data of this particular row as a test data to Pabbly Connect. And now what I want is that whenever a new row with the data of new schedule order will be added in this particular Google Sheet, then automatically I want to send that data to Pabbly Connect. So for that, what I have to do is I have to go to extensions. I will go back to Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and in this I have to enable this option of send on event. So I'm going to enable this, and by enabling this option, what is going to happen is that whenever a new row with the details of a schedule order will be added in this particular spreadsheet, then automatically the data of that row will be sent to Pabbly Connect. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and here we can see I have received this response. So I have my trigger column, which is column I have the status, which is order schedule. I have the spreadsheet name, which is Apex Stream Technology Schedule Orders 2024-25. I have my spreadsheet ID, and also I have the product name, which is Inox XTRC. I have the order value of 24,000. I have the order ID. I have the expected date, which is of 25th of April 2024. I have the delivery address, which is A93 Random Street, Bhopal. I have the customer name, which is demo user, and this is my customer mobile number, and also this is the WhatsApp number of my customer. And I have the customer email, which is demouser@pabblytudes.com. Now what I need to do is I need to use all these details of my schedule order, and what I have to do is I have to send an automated WhatsApp message to this particular customer that their order has been scheduled and we have the expected date for the delivery. So for this, what I have to do is I have to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab, and here my action application is going to be WhatsApp Cloud API. So I'm going to select WhatsApp Cloud API here. And now I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and send template message will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And now I'm going to connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. So I have to click here on connect. I have to click on add new connection. And for connecting WhatsApp Cloud API, I have to give a token, phone number ID, and WhatsApp business account ID. So where I'm going to find these details, for that I have to open this hyperlink by clicking here on this learn more button. And this will take us to the forum of Pabbly. Now in this, I have all the instruction of how I can find the details that are needed to connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect, and also the instruction of how I can set up my WhatsApp Cloud API account. So I have already set up my WhatsApp Cloud API account. So I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect, and here I need the token, phone number ID, and WhatsApp business account ID. So I'm going to take you to my WhatsApp Cloud API account, and here I have the temporary access token, phone number ID, and WhatsApp business account ID. So I'm going to copy all these details and I'm going to paste that in my Pabbly Connect account. And first I'm going to refresh this temporary access token. As this was a temporary access token, that's why I have refreshed this. So I'm going to copy all these details and I'm going to paste that in Pabbly Connect. So here I have filled all these details. Now what I need to do is I need to click on save. And I have successfully connected WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. Now what I need is I need a template. So first I have to create a template in my WhatsApp Cloud API account, or if I already have a template in my WhatsApp Cloud API, then I have to select that template here. So first I'm going to show you how you can create a new template in your WhatsApp Cloud API account. So for that, let me take you to WhatsApp Cloud API. And for opening the templates, what we have to do is we have to open this hyperlink by clicking here. And this will take us to WhatsApp Manager, where we have all the message templates that we have created or we are going to create in our WhatsApp Cloud API account. So for creating a new template, what we have to do is we have to click here on this create template button. And after clicking here, we are going to customize the message that we want to send as an automated WhatsApp message to our customer. So after customizing the message, what we have to do is we have to take approval for that particular template from Meta. And after taking the approval, your template is going to look like this. So I have created this template for scheduled delivery. So I'm going to show you this template. So this is my template, and in this I have this header of my company, which is Apex Stream Technologies, and I have the body of my message. So in this I have my message, which is awesome news. I have this variable. So in place of this variable, I'm going to add the name of my customer, your order, and again I have a variable. So in this variable, I'm going to give my order ID. And the message continues with is confirmed and scheduled for delivery, and you can expect it to be delivered till, and I have the third variable, which is for my delivery date. Now your order is on its way to home, and in this variable I'm going to add the customer address, and we have the order value, and I have my variable where I'm going to add the amount of my order. Keep shopping and enjoy the perks of being an exclusive member. So this is going to be the message that I want to send to my customer, that their order has been scheduled for delivery and we have this expected date. Now here I have added all these variables. So what is going to happen is that every time I'm going to receive new order details from my Google Sheet, where I'm going to add the details of my scheduled orders, and automatically all these details are going to get replaced in the place of these variables. So I'm going to get new details every time I'm going to send an automated WhatsApp message. So for this, let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And for selecting the template, I have to open this tab, and in this tab you will find all the templates that you have created in your WhatsApp Cloud API account. And I'm going to use this particular template of scheduled delivery, so it is already selected. Now my language code and template ID is already selected too. Now what I need to do is I need to give the recipient mobile number and all these body fields. So these body fields are my variables, and here first I have to give the recipient mobile number. So I have received my recipient mobile number from my Google Sheet, and I have to use that detail, and I have to map that detail here. So for that I have to use mapping. And what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I have to click here. I will open the response of Google Sheets, and in this sheet I have my customer mobile number, so I'm going to map that. So I have mapped my recipient mobile number here. Now what is going to happen is that every time I'm going to receive a new detail of an order from my Google Sheet, then automatically that detail is going to get replaced here, and I'm going to get the new detail from that response. So I have mapped this detail, and I have made this detail dynamic. That's why all the details are going to get replaced here. So this is the reason why mapping is important. So I have mapped the recipient mobile number here. Now I have to map all these body fields. So first I need the customer name. So I have to click here. I will open this response of Google Sheets. And in this I'm going to find my customer name, which is demo user. So I'm going to map this. Now I'm going to map the order ID. So I have to click here. I will open this response of Google Sheets. And this is my order ID. So I'm going to map this. Now I'm going to map the delivery date. So I have to click here. I will open this response of Google Sheets. And here this is my expected date for delivery. So I'm going to map this. Now I have to give the address. So I have to click here. I will open this response of Google Sheets. And here this is my customer address. So I'm going to map this. Now in the last, I'm going to map the amount. So I have to click here. I will open the response of Google Sheets. And here this is my order value. So I'm going to map that. So I have filled all the required details. And now what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. But here I have used the test number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my mobile number so that we can see that whether we are receiving the WhatsApp message or not. So I'm going to type my number here, and I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received the response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have sent an automated WhatsApp message automatically to my customer. Now to check this, I'm going to open WhatsApp. And here on WhatsApp, we can see I have received this message. So I'm going to open this. And this is the message from Apex Stream Technologies. And the message is awesome news, demo user. So this is the name of my customer. Your order, and this is my order ID, is confirmed and scheduled for delivery, and you can expect it to be delivered till 25th of April 2024. Your order is on its way to home, and this is the address of my customer, and this is the order value, which is of 24,000. keep shopping and enjoy the perks of being an exclusive member. So here we can see that I have automatically sent this automated WhatsApp message to the customer that I have the details in my Google Sheet for the scheduled orders. So I have used all those details of scheduled order and automatically I have sent this automated WhatsApp message to my customer with their scheduled order details and the delivery date. So here we can see that my connection between Google Sheet and WhatsApp is working successfully, and whenever I'm going to add a new detail of a scheduled order in my Google Sheet, then automatically I'm going to send an automated WhatsApp message to my customer with the details of their order and the delivery date. Now to check this in real time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you to Google Sheet, and here I'm going to add a new details of an order. So I'm going to fill these details. So first I have to give the order ID. So this will be my order ID. Now I have to give a product name. So my product will be HPC laptop. I have to give a customer name. So my customer name will be test user. Now I have to give the customer mobile number. So I have to give a random mobile number here. So this is going to be my mobile number. Now I have to give a customer email. So my email will be testuser@pabblytudes.com. And now I have to give a delivery address. So my delivery address will be B21 Old Street, Bhopal. Now I have to give the order value. So my order value is going to be of 39,000. And I have to give a expected date. So my expected date is going to be of 22nd of April 2024. So I'm going to fill this detail. And now what I have to check is that whether I have used all these details and I have sent an automated WhatsApp message to my customer that their order has been expected to get delivered. And to check this, I have to go back to WhatsApp. And here on WhatsApp, we can see I have received this new message which says awesome news test user. So this was the name of my customer that I have just filled in my Google Sheet. Your order, and this is my order ID, is confirmed and scheduled for delivery, and you can expect it to be delivered till 22nd of April 2024. And this is going to get delivered in this address which is B21 Old Street, Bhopal. And my order value is of 39,000. And my message ends with keep shopping and enjoy the perks of being an exclusive member. So in this message, I have the detail of the customer that I have just filled in my Google Sheet, and I have used all those details to send an automated WhatsApp message to my customer that their order has been scheduled for delivery and you can expect it till the delivery date. So here we can see that my connection between Google Sheets and WhatsApp Cloud API is working successfully, and whenever I'm going to add a new detail of an order that is going to get scheduled with the detail of my customer, then automatically by using those details, I'm going to send an automated WhatsApp message to my customer that their order has been scheduled for delivery and you can expect the delivery till the expected date. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have created this connection between Google Sheets and WhatsApp Cloud API in such a way that we have automated delivery schedules with Google Sheets and WhatsApp. Now let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Google Sheets, and my trigger event was new or updated spreadsheet row. Then I have set up my action step, and my action application was WhatsApp Cloud API, and my action event was send template message. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.